Hello and thanks for joining. We're going to go over how to manage the brands with your current product set. For this example, I have already created some brands and assigned them to a few of the products, but not all of them. So I'm going to go over how to individually associate a product with a brand and also how to associate a group of products with a brand to save time. As a quick recap, I am using WooCommerce Brands plugin, which you can purchase on Code Canyon. So now let me switch back over to the site that I'm currently working on here. And this site mainly deals with hats, but also has some accessories, but they're all mainly dealt with by hat companies. And to better show you how the site is currently set up, I'm going to go to the shop page, which is going to have initially a list of every product that I have added in, regardless of if it's associated to a brand or not. And the main idea here is to have everything in the site categorized by brand, so if you're only interested in seeing products from a specific brand, you will be able to do so by simply clicking on the brand name over here on the left hand side. And to give you another idea of how many products are actually in the site, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 products per page, and there are over 69 pages total of products in this particular site. So when I click on Tilly over here, I have already associated 3 products with the Tilly brand. And I've associated 1 product with the Biltmore Hats brand. So now let me back to the shop page, the main shop page that displays all of the hats, and go over how to individually add a product to a brand, a predefined brand. So this one right here has no brand associated with it. Let's say that this happens to be a Kangol hat. So we can individually add this product to a brand by selecting the product. And once you're on the product page, you have the option up here on the top to edit the product. And all of the predefined brands will show up here in this module. So what you're going to do is scroll down until you see the one brand that this product is. Select it. Go ahead and hit update. And once that's done updating, I'm going to go back out to the shop page and show you what happens now when I filter by the Kangol brand. And this is the one that I just added. And now it shows up in the Kangol filter. And this is a previous hat that I had already put into the Kangol brand. I'll go over one more individual product. You go back to the main shop page to see all products. And you'll see now the one that we just added the brand to. You'll see it now displays down here as well. It is the brand Kangol. So let's go to this hat right here. Select the product. Go up to edit the product. And let's say this is an Adidas hat. Go ahead and select the Adidas brand. Hit update. And now let's go back to the shop page. And when we filter by Adidas, There's the hat right there. Now what I want to show you is if you had imported your site and you've also imported categories that came with the products, there is a way to do a filter on the category. If the category has the product brand name in it, it makes it pretty easy to select a category in the filter and apply a brand to all those products. So let me show you. If you go to the back end, scroll down, hover over products, and let's go to the list of all products. And these are all of the categories for this particular site that have been imported. And the main goal here is to identify brand names that are embedded inside the category and use that as a way to kind of filter particular brands, so we can apply a brand to a group of products all at once. So for this example, let's choose Tilly hats fall winter, and we're going to filter all of these products. And once this comes up, okay, so now we know that these are all Tilly brand hats. There's 15 of them. Select this box up here, just above the rows of products. And this will select all of the products here. And in bulk actions, we want to select edit and then hit apply. And in this screen, we can change across all of those products any one of these settings. What we're going to do specifically is in the brands window right here, we are going to select Tilly, and this is going to apply the brand Tilly to each one of these products that we are bulk editing. So now when I hit update, this will take a second. So now that it has finished updating, the brand Tilly has been applied to all of these products in this particular category that had been imported into this site. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the shop page, and when I filter by Tilly, we're going to see a lot more than the original 3 hats. We're going to see all of the products that were of the Tilly brand. Maybe even now 2 pages of Tilly brand products. And that's essentially it for associating current products with a brand.